Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing on a new package that I got, and it is FabFitFun. I have their summer box today. I did an unboxing with them for their spring box, and I'm really excited to have partnered with them again, and I'm going to be doing finally all of the summer items in here. As you can see, the box is super cute and pretty. So without laying on too much, I'm going to go ahead and jump right into it. So if you guys have never heard of FabFitFun, they are a subscription box and they have a bunch of full-size items. They do not come out every month like most subscription boxes that you guys know, like BoxyCharm and Ipsy. They are seasonal, so they only do the 4 seasons, and everything all together is over $200 worth, and each box is only $49, so it is more expensive than like Ipsy or most subscription boxes, to be honest. But as you can see, the box is very large and you get full-size items. You can also get $10 off your first box if you use my code Alva, and down in the description box I will have a link where you could go ahead and check that out. They also now ship to the UK, so if you are watching this from the UK, you could go ahead and finally get your own personal box. And I do say personal because you are able to customize your box and look at other different products that you might like and trade out certain things. And if you guys are wondering more about the box, it is a bunch of lifestyle items, so a lot of beauty, fashion, fitness, overall, all of those categories that we all love. So I'm going to go ahead and open it. I did just take off the tape like this, but I haven't really opened it and looked at all the products, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. So the first thing usually that they have is a magazine that will kind of tell you some of the different items in the box. And this magazine, they're featuring Eva Longoria. I hadn't seen her in forever, from Desperate Housewives. And the magazine's always really nice because you could go ahead and read about the products, and it lets you know the total value. So in case you just see this and it's overwhelming at first, you could look at everything that you got in here. And as you can see, like, there's lots of products. So usually they tell you the options. If you wanted to customize your own box, you could look at what you could trade in. For example, if you didn't want like the blow dryer, you could have gotten a face mask. If you didn't want the lotion, you could have gotten something else. That's why it is pretty cool to customize your own box. I didn't customize mine, so I'm going to go ahead and start opening and seeing what I got. So the first thing is a piece of jewelry. And here you go. I'm going to go ahead and take it out the plastic. Oh, how cute. So this is a really dainty, cute little necklace. Let me take it out so you guys can see. And you know what? Oh wait, is it an anklet bracelet? Can you guys see? It has cute little stars. This is my favorite kind of jewelry. I don't really like flashy big pieces, so this fits my style really well. Let me open it up. I don't really even wear a lot of jewelry. Yeah, it's a necklace, and when I do, it's stuff like this. So I would have picked, if I had the option to pick the other item, I would have picked this because it's really cute. Ooh. Yeah, I never wear jewelry. People even rag on me about my wedding ring, but I just don't like to wear jewelry 90% of the time, especially rings, because I lose them. But necklaces are the one thing that sometimes I do wear. So I'd rather just keep my nice pieces of jewelry safe and only wear them on certain events. And even then, I lost my wedding ring 2 times because I was out drunk. So but necklaces for me are easier to wear. Oh, how cute. And this piece is, if you guys want to know the price of it, it is $50, and it is their double star necklace, as you guys can see. Oh, it's so cute. I love it. And the brand of it is Jennifer, I don't know how to pronounce that. I don't want to butcher her name. Jennifer Zuner. I don't know. She has a cute last name though. It sounds cute if I could probably pronounce it correctly. And that is the first item that I have here. The next, I don't know if this counts, to be honest. Does this count? But there is an $80 gift card for Hellofresh. I need to order it. I don't think I ordered it last time. I think I gave it away to someone that would actually use it. And I have someone in mind that would probably use this. But yeah, if you guys haven't heard of Hellofresh, you basically pick out meals from their website that you'd like to cook, and they send you all of the ingredients and like the recipe so you could cook it. So it's really motivating for you to actually cook at home. I suck at that, so I think I gave it to like a friend that would actually use it. But now I know someone that would actually use it that lives with me, so that's cool. Nelson too, probably. And it's an $80 gift card, so you could probably get a good amount of stuff with this. I'm gonna put it to the side and keep it safe. The next thing is this Sutra Beauty Marble Blow Dryer Travel Size. I actually need this like today because I'm going to Orlando tonight. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. And the cost on this hair dryer, just to kind of let you guys know, is it here? I don't think they featured it, did they? I don't see it. Oh wait, $60, so, oh my god. Oh, cute. This is how it looks. This is actually like legit travel size because it's freaking tiny. This is my hand, and I have a really small hand, by the way. And this is the travel size blow hair dryer, which is nice. You could even throw this in like your purse, to be honest. It's freaking tiny. Like, it's really small. And it does come with two little detachable, what do you call them? Like ends? I don't remember what you call them. But you guys know what I'm talking about. Next thing is this Intelligent Nutrients Refining Micro Polish. What is this? Is it for your body? Smooths, exfoliates for all skin. So I'm assuming it's for your body. Oh no, applied to damp face and neck. Okay, so this is an exfoliant for your face and your neck. Ooh, let me smell it. Oh, that's a little thing. Okay, it smells nice. It's not too like overpowering, and I'm trying it out on my hand, and it feels really good. I actually do really well with exfoliants. I usually get like kind of grimy, like I get dead skin a lot. I get really oily in the summer too. So for me, exfoliants work really well, and they help me like prevent acne. So I'm gonna wanna try this out during the summer, which is nice. Next, I have an exfoliating foot mask. Okay. And the prices on these are, give me 1 second, I have to look at it. And you guys can see here, they have all the different options. Wow, so that micro polish is $57. Skincare is so expensive. And then the foot mask is $32. Oh my god. And it has this really cute gold packaging, and the brand is called Wish. So it has coconut milk and verbena in it. I don't know if I'm saying that correctly. And it is what it says it is, so a foot mask. Oh, it smells so nice. You could definitely smell the coconut in it, and I love anything that has coconut in it. Oh, and it's not, I don't know if you can see, but it's not like creamy. It's more like, I don't know what you would call that, like watery-ish, which is nice, so it won't be like too much on your feet. Next, Living Proof and Nourishing Styling Cream stops frizz and lightly conditions. I'm probably gonna take this too. I'm actually just in my hair right now, to be honest. And the price, oh, that smells really good. I think I've seen those products before, and I'm a fan, so I'm actually really excited about this. This is $20, and if you didn't want to get this, you could get a different mystery item that's marked at, is it here? Yeah, you could have gotten a mystery item that would be more than $24 if you did not want this. I personally would have gotten this because it smells really good, and I'm trying to take care more of my hair now. I feel like forever I was so obsessed with like makeup and skin, and I like completely neglected my hair. So I have this Generation Clay Ultraviolet Brightening Purple Clay Mask, and I don't see it on here. I'm assuming it's for your face. Yes. Apply an even layer to clean dry skin. Wait 10 minutes until the mask starts to tighten. Then use water to take it off. And I'm assuming it has a little thingy. Yeah. Everything is like super sealed up, to be honest. It smells like natural. And it's like a cute purple clay. Oh, and it goes right back in. It actually looks very clay-like. thought it'd be like kind of like a regular type of mask, just with the word clay in it, but it feels very, and it looks very like it would dry up, almost like cementing feeling. I don't have a lot of these, so that's good. And I really like the packaging. I just think it looks really pretty. On the price on this, if you guys are curious, it is, wow, $39, and it's a brightening mask, so there you go. And the brand is Generation Clay, and if, let's say you didn't want this, you could have gotten any other of the items here. So they had like a facial spray, another foot mask, or the foot mask I showed you guys, another facial spray. Next I have these little hair ties, or as I call them, migas. And I'm trying to open the box. They're actually really, really tiny, but they expand, which is nice. I'm pretty cheap with hair ties. I don't go out of my way to get like, I don't know, nicer hair ties, or like the new type of hair ties that will do this and that to your hair, and they make you look like you have a high ponytail. And these apparently could do all of that, so I'm excited to finally try something better. As you guys, I don't know if you guys can see here. No, you guys can't, but they show you different ways that you could use these to style your hair differently. And they're tiny, they're not like the old school ones, and they're clear, and they do have the lighter ones right here. I'm gonna put these to the side and probably try and keep them in their little packaging. Next we have a Spray All Day Hydrating Rose Facial Spray, and this is by the brand Grace and Stella. And the price of this is $25.95. So everything together is worth over $250, I feel like. Yeah, it goes up to even more, to possibly even $500. So I'm almost done with my box. I have one thing left, and that is a felt message board. Oh, how cute. So it's pretty basic, as you guys can see, like to understand what it does. You're able to write cute things on here, and it just is like a nice little touch. I never go out of my way to buy stuff like this, so I'm excited to finally put this somewhere here in my loft. And the price on the, I don't know if they featured it on here. Yes, they did. That would have cost you $35, and it's really cute. So, okay guys, so that confirms the totals. I don't know, kind of dumb. That is basically the entire video of unboxing FabFitFun. I really love their summer items. Thank you FabFitFun for partnering with me to do this video. If you guys want to get your own box, check out my description box down below. I will have a link, and you guys could also use code Alva to get $10 off your first box. Remember, it's 50 bucks and you get a bunch of items, so I would definitely check it out if you're into lifestyle and you just like kind of like trying out new products. And if you're a fan of subscription boxes, I would definitely try it out. My camera is dying, so I'm going to go ahead and say goodbye, and thank you guys so much for watching this video.